banana bread, coffee cake, put together, incredible, right? I mean, have you seen this recipe? It is actually a Brazilian cake, and it's a coffee cake they make with bananas. That was a region of Brazil where they had a lot of Germans that migrated there, and they were probably doing fruit-filled desserts, and they decided to make it their own by using the fruits they had available, which was, of course, bananas. They usually use it as breakfast or a snack cake, and I think you're going to be obsessed like we are. Every great coffee cake has an amazing streusel on top, and this is no different. It's usually the same kind of formula. I'm using salted butter. Salt really just enhances everything, especially the sweetness in something. And then we're going to use our hands. Best tool is you want to make sure it's coated with all of our sugar flour mixture. Press it together so that we get the butter all covered, but we want to have some, smaller kind of chunks of butter throughout. So this looks pretty good. It's kind of sandy. There's some bigger chunks and smaller chunks with exactly what you want. I'm going to put this in the freezer while I get everything else ready. If you put it on the cake when it's warm, it just melts into the cake. I want like big crispy chunks. So now we're going to make the cake. The cake is really simple and it doesn't need a mixer. I really love that. I'm going to add our dry ingredients little at a time, whisking as I go. So maybe a third and a third. I want to incorporate that flour, but I don't want to overdo it because I want to keep the cake tender, and if you whisk this too much, it might get a little dense. So that looks great. It smells really good, the vanilla. When I was working on this cake, originally there's cake, banana, and then the streusel, and I found that having the banana next to the streusel kind of made it a little bit soggy, especially the next day. So I thought it might be better just to put the banana right in the center of the cake, and that worked out great. It also didn't turn a weird color. It kept really well, so I think that was a nice way to kind of do this, to get all the flavors in without compromising any of the layers. Banana and cake batter would be a good ice cream flavor, don't you think? So I'm gonna go get the streusel. Okay, so this is nice and cold now. You can see, sprinkle it all over the top. I like some big chunks, some small chunks. I don't want it to all be kind of sandy. It has a fair amount of streusel, and I think when you have coffee cake, that's exactly what you want. I am a dessert person, so I do. I love all that stuff, and I think everybody does, right? I mean, there are people who don't like sweets, and if you don't like sweets, then it's probably not how you want to do it, but this is how I like to do it. Okay, so this is going to go in a 350-degree oven, middle rack, 45 to 50 minutes.
Was it really that simple?
It was. Can you believe it? A couple of bowls and no mixer, a few bananas, you're all set. So here it is. It's baked. I've let it cool for an hour and a half, and then we have these handy little handles to pull it right out. I run a knife around the side that doesn't have the parchment. I'm going to make a confession about this one. This is the swap, and when I came in this morning, I was kind of in a hurry, and I feel like I did not get that streusel all the way to the edge, so I'm a little mad at myself, but when you make it yourself, just be aware of that. It's not a huge deal, but it's bothering me. I pulled it out of the oven. I was like, no. The other thing is I love a good sugar top, and I think, especially for coffee cake, it's so pretty. This is the thing with powdered sugar. If you're not careful, you'll get like a giant chunk that falls out. So I try to do it like this so that doesn't happen, but I'm not always successful. Let's cut this and see. This is perfect to bring somewhere, brunch, breakfast. I love this cake. You can see a little bit of the banana on the inside. Sometimes when you use bananas, they'll turn gray, but they don't in this cake. Here you have our gorgeous Streusel-Topped Banana Cake. It's perfect for breakfast, lunch, a little dessert, a little snack. It's hard to see the banana, but it's there. Trust me, when you eat it, you will know. So good. Cinnamon, crunchy, banana. Give it a try.